Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CFG file is not working on CS2. It's a really easy fix, and so without further ado, let's get started. So you just need to go to library, then you need to go to the game, right click on it, go to properties, then install files and browse. And then you basically correct directory to the CFG file is game CSGO CFG, and here should be your CFG files. And if it's not working, probably yours is on CSGO CFG, and here your file basically could be. So what you need to do here is to basically copy and paste your file to the game first CSGO folder here, then you need to go to game, then you need to go to CSGO, and then CFG, and you need to have the file here, and then it should work. Right guys, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.